Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel. This is the continuation of the previous video, and please on the valet parking. Today we're talking about what are the measures and precautions to be taken while you hand over the keys to the valet person. Number one, make sure you take care of your bags, your laptop bags, and as well as take care of your mobiles and your purse, and make sure all the valuables in the car are taken, and make sure you show your kilometers driven to the valet person, and as well as what is the petrol fuel available in the car, and hand over the keys to him. These are the measures mandatory to be told while you hand over the keys to the valet person. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.